Damn Easter Bunny. Leaves a mess in our yard.
They poop all over our yard.
They're everywhere.
Oh my goodness.
Literally, I mean everywhere.
Wow, they are.
And there's even one under the...
You went nuts out here.
One on the bike and one in the fence.
One more. How are you doing, Trevor?
Ooh, a candy. Ooh, a candy.
Oh, that's nice.
Fighting over them now.
Oh, Heather, there. By the stair.
By the staircase, Heather. Look at it.
Look at the pool. Look at the pool. Behind you. Look behind you.
Cool frisbee.
Oh, I guess that might be for you because you're older.
Heather, look in the pool.
Look in the pool, Heather.
See the yellow one? Ooh, a candy.
Yay! Oh my goodness, look at them all.
Oh my goodness, look near the satellite dish.
Look at Heather. How many has Trevor found?
A whole bucket.
Wow.
One more and my whole bucket full.
I don't know if there's anything else.
I found one more.
You found one more? Oh, look what's in the garden. Look at the pinwheels. Look at Heather.
Windmills.
They're called pinwheels.
Oh, windmills.
Oh. Yell out, thank you, Easter bunnies, loud as you can.
Thank you, Easter bunnies.
What, that's as loud as you can?
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Thank you, bunny.
Trevor?
Thank you, Easter bunny.
All right.